Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of unboxing series. Today I'm going to unbox Swarovski Crystal Lake 5016009. Stay tuned. Let's begin the unboxing. Nice blue box, saying Swarovski on the top. Swarovski Crystal Lake 5016009. That's the documentation. Okay, let's get this away and focus on our watch. That's the item number. The glass is sapphire crystal. It's got crystal cuts on it, amazing reflection. This watch has been inspired by crystals. Gray dial with two hands, minute and the hour. It's a Swarovski monogram at position 12. The reflection is amazing. It's a 35 mm dial. Traditional tang buckle, says Swarovski on it. The leather straps are really soft. Beautiful watch. It comes in 4 variations: black rose gold, gray rose gold, red rose gold, and blue stainless steel. The back casing is stainless steel. The lugs are really comfortable. This watch is suitable for any kind of events, formal and casual. You can't go wrong with the black straps. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with formals, day or night. Absolutely stunning watch. Perfect gift. I love the casing and the dial. It looks absolutely fantastic. The reflections on the dial. It's a gray dial. I love the combination. Black straps, gray dial, rose gold casing. Beautiful combination. I loved unboxing this watch and I hope you have enjoyed watching it too. I would leave the details in the description below. If you have any comments, do let me know. Do like and subscribe my channel. Until next time, stay tuned. Have a good day.